Well, we made it up to our land with this. I got a track loader with a mower on it right now, and I also have the bucket attachment. And we are going to start clearing our land. Cleared just down the hill from where our house is going to be.
All right, let's go see it.
So right behind me is where the house will eventually be, and I took the mower through there and then also cleared the brush below the house on the hill so we could get a look at what the land looks like after all the brush has been cleared.
We are in a pickle. We have a machine that we've rented for about a week, and the mower section that we've been using is broken. And we reached out to the company we rented it from, and it had closed about 2 hours before. There's a holiday weekend, it's Saturday, and they won't be open again till Tuesday. So right now we're trying to figure out how to use the other the other bucket in order to like make this time worth it. We might go through and pick up some of our wood piles and cuttings and gather them, but we're trying to make do and make it worth it. We're trying to go through this pile. It's already been burned once, and then put the wood over here into this burned pile. And then we can use the dirt to level out some areas. They're watching Jonah. He's going up to get the mower again. We just cleared and piled there and piled there. And I'm exhausted and it feels good. I love the physical labor. We're definitely making progress. I think today's the last day that we're gonna have the machine, and before we move on to something bigger. The progress he's made is fantastic. He said he wants to do about one more row in this right in front of me, and then we'll be done, and I'll show you that now. Daphne! Just checking it out.
So as you can see, we've cleared as much as we could with the mower. We were left with thicker stands of trees that the mower wouldn't cut down. So the next piece of equipment that I've gotten is a 10K mini excavator. So I'll dig around the roots of these thicker stands of trees, push them over to knock the root ball out, and then I've got a thumb on the bucket so I can pick them up and drop them on the burn pile. So my goal is to clear as much of this section as I can over the next 3 days while I have this machine. So we're just doing a little work on the property today, clearing some low branches off of trees. This will eventually be a pasture for horses. But this tree has to stay up. It's a designated landmark tree, and it is one of the tools that the surveyors use to actually find the corners of the property. So you can see the yellow tag on it. So this tree has to stay. There's another tree over there that's also a landmark tree. That's not on my properties, but it's an important thing for surveyors. So while we've been clearing, we've been getting rid of all the bushes, but we want to keep the trees. So we definitely want to keep this pine tree. Those low branches though were blocking all of this underbrush, and we want to clear that out. So we're going to clean up some of the low branches on a bunch of the pine trees that are around here so that we can manage the underbrush underneath the trees.
All right, that's all for today. Lots of work done.
Yep.